trying to do? He's trying to grind? Ooh, yo, is that a kickflip? Oh, shit. Oh, he's trying to hit the guard there.
We're making a video. Okay, so me and Jaron just finished up a photo shoot for this company that I'm doing like content creation for. And yo, what's up? Come get in the video. What's up? You guys should go subscribe to Jaron.
I'm slacking.
He's slacking.
But I'll be posting a lot.
I don't know if I believe that. Don't look at this.
I will be posting. I've been filming a lot of stuff, but I don't have time to edit.
I believe you. You gotta go. Are you gonna buy a beer?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a beer.
I'm not gonna buy a beer because I gotta drive home. And I don't have the license. I don't have that cool license.
Neither do I. But I'm staying downtown, so I'm not driving.
I won't put that in the vlog. I'm just gonna say neither do I. Cut. Just kidding. Jaron's like stressed out about if his pants are too baggy or not. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
So I got these pants from Walmart for $5, but I can't try them on. And they feel a little bit bigger.
Do a little model walk. Dude, they're not too baggy. You're chilling. Okay, really quick. We're gonna go. There's a mini ramp at this park, like down the river from us. But I have to shoot like 2 more things really quick with this bag and my friend on a skateboard, Jaron on a skateboard. So we're gonna do that really quick, and then we're gonna go hit a mini ramp. Skate some mini ramp. It's gonna be sick.
No.
Chilling?
Yeah.
Nice. Adapt, improvise, and overcome adversity and challenge. Okay, so Jaron went to get a beer just across the street. I'm just waiting here. I'm gonna do a front tail. Let's go. Fucking Jaron. This is a really nice park. Remember that one time we climbed into this building when it was getting built? And like got almost caught? And had to dip out really quick? That was kind of sick. It's gonna turn. What's your board though, by the way? It's just a 9-time shot play. What do you got at Mary?
Oh, yeah!
Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Oh! Yeah!
We got you, my guy.
Oh, doggy, thank you.
One more question. Tell
Thanks, boys.
You can do a
Have a good night, guys.
Yeah, have a good one, boys.
Can you nose Manny though? I can't nose Manny though. Can you Manny that up? I can Manny. I just can't nose Manny.
Like halfway there from frickin' Mills.
Take it easy.
So we're probably. Dude, should we try to go down to that path?
Where'd he go? Oh, he's like. He's probably gone, but there's a beaver. Drew, if you're watching this, there's the Dean House. There's your work. We came, right, Jaron? We came here.
We came.
We're actually.
We'll throw a photo in because I got a photo of the beaver
Yeah,
right here.
I got the clip of it too.
Oh, there we go.
You can get the photo too.
Maybe the photo will or will not be in here.
Both.
If you've seen this, if you've seen this far into the video, you'll know if the photo made it in or not.
Schrodinger's beaver. Is it dead or alive? Is it in the video or not? Okay, let's go. We have to.
We made it.
I was like, Jaron, there's a friggin' mini ramp,
As
dude.
you can tell, I'm super ready to skateboard.
I bet you are. Yeah.
How much if I do a blunt first try?
I got no cash on me. You transfer you $20.
What?
$20.
$20 if I do a blunt? Wait, let me just like touch my belt.
That was a $20 blunt.
So this is what I'm talking about. So at the
Whose is
bottom-
this one?
Yeah. So that's what he was saying. Like he said the only, and then he said just do the bottom part of it, and then other than that. You did? That's our. Hey Jaron, yeah, do you have a lighter?
You gotta do that back deep.
Dude, I can't. I kicked it back these last summer, so good.
Yeah, exactly.
it back to the trucks. We made it to the mini ramp, but it was kind of,
It's not what I was picturing in my head.
it was really narrow.
Yeah, I
It's
thought it was gonna be
tight.
like this big, wide, 30-foot mini ramp, but it was not that.
It was kind of ass. It's cool that it's there, but it's not that sick.
Alright, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification for Grayson Boy.
Like my smash button, dude. Subscribe.